What's up guys, I am gonna showcase you my Isuzu D-Max. So let's start. But subscribe here. Rate it guys, the D-Max. Thailand customized kit. Don't mind the turbo. And then a star wheel, brakes, a Thai exhaust, and then working doors. Here's the interior. All doors of this one. From here to here, and then the front is the driver sitting on this one. And then here's what the back looks like. The back doors also work if you press something, but it will glitch if you don't watch it. So let's fix it. There we go. Just wait. There. So now we're gonna put collisions on some blocks, or it might even be glitching out. Collision on. Here's the result. Null again. So let's skip that part. Here's the back, and you can probably sit one of this. We're gonna post about other one later. So here's the driver view, curtains, gear shift, handbrake, and then a working steering wheel. So here's the engine view of it. Gonna tap this to open, and then here's what the engine look like. Antifreeze, brake fluid, then a turbo battery. And close that taillight up. Here's the driving test of it. It can climb things though, like this. Look how it climbs. That's how it climbs anything. The suspension of it. So here's how I drive it. Slowly down it. Why is the door glass? Wait, no. Shh. Hey! Don't mind my cat, guys. It's just giving birth. So let's go to my friends. Let's go to B first. Yo, what's up, bro? I'm using a microphone to voice. So guys, I am now showcasing the shop. Let's go. Let's go back to our base. Don't think he's feeling good. Now here we are at our base. Look guys, it can go on the road even there is a gap. See, smooth. And now here's the shop. I am also selling them. Oops, wrong door. So here's the shop. 5 parts here. So this where you're gonna pay, and then there where you're gonna grab. These all my V8 engines. And a battery, radiator, just a design. So you're gonna grab each item you wanna buy. All these items are from this guy. Let me show you what's under it. So let's grab a piston. And then looks oh, nah, he's fine. Let's go with one. Everything is glitchy. So guys, here's the underview of the pickup that I made. Even suspension can handle it. Uh-oh. He's leaning. Also, here's what's under the engine. There's actually a hidden spot on the engine to see their things. Let me show it to you. Press this, and that's what's under it, the cover. So let's go. Let's close it. Time to set the hood down. Thank you guys for watching. Wait, I forgot about the mechanic, the lights. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Our video is now ended. Bye.